The African rock python, Python sebae, is a large, non-venomous snake of sub-Saharan Africa. It is one of 11 living species in the genus Python. It has 2 subspecies, one is found in Central and Western Africa, the other in Southern Africa. Africa's largest snake and one of the 6 largest snake species in the world, along with the green anaconda, reticulated python, Burmese python, Indian python, and amethystine python. Specimens may approach or exceed 6 meters, 20 feet. The southern subspecies is generally smaller than its northern relative. The snake is found in a variety of habitats, from forests to near deserts, although usually near sources of water. The snake becomes dormant during the dry season. The African rock python kills its prey by constriction and often eats animals up to the size of antelope, occasionally even crocodiles. The snake reproduces by egg-laying. Unlike most snakes, the female protects her nest and sometimes even her hatchlings. The snake is widely feared, though it very rarely kills humans. Although the snake is not endangered, it does face threats from habitat reduction and hunting. Africa's largest snake species and one of the world's largest, the typical African rock python adult measures 3 to 3.53 meters, 9 feet 10 in to 11 feet 7 in total length, including tail, with only unusually large specimens likely to exceed 4.8 meters, 15 feet 9 in. Reports of specimens over 6 meters, 19 feet 8 in, are considered reliable, although larger specimens have never been confirmed. Weights are reportedly in the range of 44 to 55 kilograms, 97 to 121 pounds, per one study. Adults are expected to weigh only up to 32.2 kilograms, 71 pounds. Exceptionally large specimens may weigh 91 kilograms, 201 pounds, or more. On average, large adults of African rock pythons are quite heavily built, perhaps more so than most specimens of the somewhat longer reticulated as well as Indian and Burmese pythons, and far more so than the amethystine python, although the species is on average less heavily built than the green anaconda. The African species may be the second heaviest living snake, with some authors agreeing that it can exceptionally exceed 90 kilograms, 200 pounds. 1819-20, one specimen, reportedly 7 meters, 23 feet 0 in length, was killed by K. H. Croft in 1958 and was claimed to have had a 1.5 meters, 4 feet 11 in, juvenile Nile crocodile in its stomach. 21, an even larger specimen considered authentic was shot in the Gambia and measured 7.5 meters, 24 feet 7 in. The snake varies considerably in body size between different areas. In general, it is smaller in highly populated regions, such as in southern Nigeria, only reaching its maximum length in areas such as Sierra Leone, where the human population density is lower. Males are typically smaller than females. The African rock python's body is thick and covered with colored blotches, often joining up in a broad, irregular stripe. Body markings vary between brown, olive, chestnut, and yellow, but fade to white on the underside. The head is triangular and is marked on top with a dark brown spearhead outlined in buffy yellow. Teeth are many, sharp, and backwardly curved. Under the eye, there is a distinctive triangular marking, the subocular mark. Like all pythons, the scales of the African rock python are small and smooth. Those around the lips possess heat-sensitive pits, which are used to detect warm-blooded prey, even in the dark. Pythons also possess 2 functioning lungs, unlike more advanced snakes which have only one, and also have small, visible pelvic spurs, believed to be the vestiges of hind limbs. The southern subspecies is distinguished by its smaller size, adults averaging about 2.4 to 4.4 meters in length, smaller scales on top of the head, and a smaller or absent subocular mark. Like all pythons, the African rock python is non-venomous and kills its prey by constriction. After gripping the prey, The snake coils around it, tightening its coils every time the victim breathes out. Death is thought to be caused by cardiac arrest rather than by asphyxiation or crushing. The African rock python feeds on a variety of large rodents, monkeys, warthogs, antelopes, fruit bats, monitor lizards, and even crocodiles in forest areas, and on rats, poultry, dogs, and goats in suburban areas. Occasionally, it may eat the cubs of big cats such as leopards, lions, and cheetahs, cubs of hyenas, and puppies of wild dogs such as jackals and Cape hunting dogs. However, these encounters are very rare, as the adult cats can easily kill pythons or fend them off. On March 1, 2017, a 3.9 meters, 12 feet 10 inches, African rock python was filmed eating an adult male spotted hyena weighing 150 pounds, 68 kilograms. This encounter suggests that the snake might very well be capable of hunting and killing larger and more dangerous animals than previously thought. Reproduction occurs in the spring. African rock pythons are oviparous, laying between 20 and 100 hard-shelled, elongated eggs in an old animal burrow, termite mound, or cave. The female shows a surprising level of maternal care, coiling around the eggs, protecting them from predators, and possibly helping to incubate them, until they hatch around 90 days later. The female guards the hatchlings for up to 2 weeks after they hatch from their eggs to protect them from predators in a manner unusual for snakes in general and pythons in particular. Hatchlings are between 45 and 60 centimeters, 17.5 and 23.5 in length and appear virtually identical to adults, except with more contrasting colors. Individuals may live over 12 years in captivity.